Good evening, Rhondda. This is Mike Church here from Nantgarw. Well, I say Nantgarw, there's a touch of Luton in there, and also I'm not actually in Nantgarw at the moment because my Oxford Street home got flooded, so I'm currently in Ogmore Vale. Beautiful. I'm going to read to you a poem called Colombo, which harks back to those 1970s days when I was often staying at home and watched the irrepressible Colombo that sustained me, and I hope he can sustain us all again. So this poem's called Colombo. We watch the murderer do it on TV. He knows we're watching, so knows to cover his tracks superbly. Enter Colombo. He knows that we know who the murderer is, but we can't tell him. He'll tell us, and the murderer knows he knows, and knows to cover his tracks again. And Colombo knows he knows, and he knows that we know. But he'll outsmart viewer and murderer, 'cause we know he knows better than us, and he'll tell us he knows, and the murderer will know that he knows, 'cause we know the murderer knows he knows, and all will be revealed with clues we never knew he knew. And the murderer will crumple and say, "Oh, I didn't know you knew that, but as you've always known what I've known, I confess." So everybody now knows what we knew at the start of the show. And do you know what we call this fantastic genre of entertainment? Whodunit. Good evening, Rhondda.